to exit driver if you like. You can make it up there. Go ahead and back up, give yourself a bump. Back forward. You're going to have to turn a bit faster this time too.
He's a little hung up. I think he's hung up on his pumpkin. He's not clearing the pumpkin back here.
Forward, but goal to go backwards. So get yourself forward again. Alright, when you go back. Try one more time. Okay, backwards.
So close.
Yeah, if you had that front lock, what are you doing something? We're fighting rear difference right now. So I'm going to turn you loose, and whatever you're comfortable with power-wise, to rock yourself over here before we win, do it.
Might have to push him from the front back just a little bit, because when he comes backwards. Okay. This guy's just hung up on his rear diff cover right under there. Couldn't quite clear it. It's got massive flex up there, so just gonna yank him back just a little bit. Look at that. Here we go. Winch line's tight. Do you want him in reverse? Got it. That's all we needed.
Buddy, David with Where2Wheel, and I just wanted to remind you that we are running a crowdfunding campaign to bring a full-size, full-scale off-road park here to Hampton Roads. I'm talking a park where the hill climbs are as tall as the trees, boulder gardens with boulders the size of refrigerators, and mud pits that can swallow up 44-inch boggers. So if you like the sound of that, you can contribute at W2WParks.com or find us on Venmo at W2W Parks.
Give me driver. Stay driver. Come on. Back coming up. Stay turn driver. Looking good. Hold it right there. That's what I was talking about with the long wheelbases. When you're trying to climb in 3 corners right now. Let me see what we can do.
So these long wheelbases on this obstacle, as the back tires try to climb, because there's an angle in it, they tend to twist here. And once they've twisted, we've had a hard time getting them back up without winching.
Good, come on. Easy word. Good tire pressure. What PSI is that? Come on. Come on. Right. Hold it right there. You gotta start cutting sharp driver. Going down in the street here.
Here, let me get a photo really quick. Okay.
Coming down. Nice. Looks good. Come on. Straighten up a bit. Yep. Coming down. Yep. Come on. Coming down. Good job. Head on out there.
Brum, brum, brum.
Nice. Good job. Go ahead and,
Right, come on. It's gonna flex. Come on. You got it. Come on. Skinny pedal, easy, easy, easy. Come on. All right, back up. You gotta give it a little more run motion, not a lot. There you go. Right there, right there. Oh. Yeah. You got this. A little bit of run motion. Come on. Not hard. Skinny pedal, easy. Go, 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 go. No, no. You're losing traction.
she's got to bump it.
Back up. You got to pump, and then you got to dip, and then you got tire. You got to pump it. Not crazy. You got to get that to get up.
We gotta watch the view behind it.
Skinny pedal, easy. Let's go. You got it. Keep going. Go, 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 go. Don't spin it. All right, one more time. You get one more shot. Back up.
Or does Wyatt need to do it?
Look.
She need to come more
She's doing a good job. She's
towards Big Mama.
Back over this direction. So you're more of a straight on run.
I don't know why I was coming there.
All right. Come this way. Put a drive.
Dave, tell Ron to stay there
Left. There you go.
so I can get a shot.
Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Now turn right. All right, your back end's going to follow around and go straight ahead. That's the brake squeaking. You're fine. They're getting work today. Straighten up, straighten up. Left.
You don't want to hurt her baby.
I see that.
Keep coming left. There you go. That's straight. Go forward. All right, momentum, go. Skinny pedal, easy. Easy.
She needs to stay that way a little bit. She's stay passenger. She's gonna come off over here. Are you listening to me?
All right, look. Back up. You got to go more right. Right there, right there.
Passenger.
All right, come on. Skinny pedal. Look, that way. There. Easy turn. There you go. Come on. Go, 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 go. You're spinning.
Nothing to it.
Nice job, Sue.
Not like that line, better.
Watch that tree. Do you have lockers?
Have to just go up through the crack.
Yeah, so Ron, yep, come like straight towards me because we're gonna get you up this little crack right here. So I'll watch the tree. All right. That's gonna push you a little sideways, but you should climb right up. I'll watch the tree.
Got it.
Then you're gonna come off towards me. There's a little log you're gonna roll over, but it'll be just fine. Then ride your brakes on the way down. Alright, now turn towards me, and I'll watch over here. You watch this tree. Looking good, looking good. Nice. That's a good shot right there. Then cut towards me. Nice. Good climb, Ron.
If you want to be the coolest person at your next Jeep meet, then get some W2W stickers or t-shirts at W2WParks.com.